There is nothing worse than turning the key on a cold morning and hearing your diesel engine crank and crank, coughing out black smoke and refusing to start smoothly. If you finally get it running and pull code P06B9, you are dealing with a cylinder 1 glow plug circuit range or performance issue. Unlike gas engines that use spark plugs, your diesel relies on high compression and these little heater elements called glow plugs to get the fire started, especially when it's chilly. This code tells us that the computer detected a voltage level on the cylinder 1 circuit that does not make any sense, so it disabled it to protect the system. It is critical, and I mean critical, that you double check which cylinder is number 1 for your specific engine layout, because diagnosing the wrong one is a headache you do not need. The symptoms are pretty obvious: rough idle, misfiring, and that embarrassing cloud of smoke. To fix this, do not just throw parts at it. Start by searching for technical service bulletins, since this is a common issue on many trucks. If that is clear, grab your digital volt-ohm meter. You can test the glow plug by measuring its resistance, or for a quick and dirty test, remove it and carefully apply battery voltage to see if it glows bright red. Just be careful not to burn yourself. Often it's the glow plug itself that has failed, but do not ignore the timer module or the wiring harness, because a loose connector or a blown fuse can mimic a bad plug perfectly.